How to add text box to Shopify product page. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about how we're going to be adding our text box to product pages on Shopify. So to allow ourselves to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to customize, okay? And once you go over to customize, from here, what you are going to want to do is you're going to go on any certain product you want to go to. So let's say I'm going to go to this product over here. Now to add a text box in this, what you're going to simply do is we're going to come here where it says template. You're going to click on add block and you're simply going to click on text over here. And look at that. It adds a text block straight into your design, and you can obviously shift the positioning of this. You can add it right above over here, and then, write this is a discount, write whatever text you want to. And once you do that, as you can see, that's how you're going to add a text box. So click on save and you're good to go. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.